Hey guys, this is MF Grim Reaper here. Tackle bring of Order of Chaos. Order of Chaos and Gothic Overload. So let's start with this one's here because it's the odd number out. And let's see what we get. Alright, not complaining something. Just for fun, you know, just stuff for fun. That's all I like to do. Okay, oh, get it out. That's what you said.
Boom.
Common. Honeybee. Dragonfly's pretty good, I guess. Common.
Common.
I'm gonna shock you.
Now, those of you who don't know, Shocktopus's effect, when it's destroyed by battle, you can equip it to the monster who destroyed it. That monster's attack then becomes 0.
Boom.
So, let's say your opponent pulls out a very powerful card, and you're like, oh my god, I'm gonna lose, and then he attacks Shocktopus. Guess what? Penguin Soldier can beat you.
Ooh, boom.
Even though nobody runs that card anymore.
You do?
I do. They don't. I'm uber noob.
Honeybee. Starlight. The thing. Rare. Common. Soup.
Primordial Soup.
Soup. Like beef vegetable soup. But soup.
So far, all he's got to show for it is a dragonfly.
Yay!
Yay, shake for fun.
People get...
Sorry if you guys got dizzy.
Yeah, and they're gonna be like, ugh, all over the trash can.
How does that go again?
All over the trash can.
All over their keyboard.
Guys, we have Hugh Jackman here with us today.
It's true. Don't do drugs. Stay in school.
Hopper.
Those of you who don't believe me, at the end of the video, I will show you a picture of, well, I guess a motion picture of Hugh Jackman in shorts.
Okay, it's called here with stuff.
Still nothing, just the dragonfly.
Let's pack it out of our way. I'm chewing gum, guys. Or over it, I think. No, not over it. What kind of gum is this? What kind of gum is this?
Oh!
Brought to you by...
Brought to you by number 5 gum.
Oh, yeah, this is hot.
Rain, 59 cents. Totally worth it.
Yay, for gum. Common. Rare. Oh, that's a pretty good one. The centipede, it's common.
Still, not much to show for.
Yeah, you get this.
The huge revolution is over.
You saw that road, but you don't somehow you're a dragon. You might as well just use 2 starlight roads. But we'll open.
That's what she said.
Get it out.
That's also what she said.
Boom.
Boat. Creep boat. The dragon.
Interplanetary purpley thorny dragon.
Yeah. Octopus.
Again.
This thing.
Dark flat top for flying fortress skyfire. Boom.
Chow, mate. Chow. Fusion.
Angry koala bear.
And double defender. Okay.
2 packs left of Order of Chaos.
Better tongue. Look at this gum. I just bit my tongue.
Good job.
Stupid gum.
Yes, when you bite your tongue, blame it on the gum. 30-second break brought to you by Hugh Jackman.
You should do a shock to the video. Yes, no, yes, common piece of shit, common stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think he is getting a little angry with his pack opening right now.
Let's open it backwards so it actually might be better for us.
Ooh, I rotated the screen.
How did you do that? Ooh, sexy.
That's how I do that.
Common. Shit. Okay, now just crap away. I need a scale, please. Scale. Let's see. 4.2.
Not a hollow.
Hollow. You're not a hollow.
Hollow. Watch.
You're not a hollow.
Watch, there'll be a hollow in there.
You're a hollow.
Urban Noob's calling it. There's a hollow in that pack, ladies and gentlemen. Aw, Urban Noob was wrong. Overlay owl, dick move. Doom donut,
donuts.
dick move. Nobody cares about those cards. Or that one, or that one, or that one, or that one. I was wrong.
Again.
Sad face.
Stop looking at the cards. I got them. If you say something about the cards, they're call or not, they won't be called at all.
I'm not gonna say a word.
I bought this for fun, so that's all I got it for. Nothing there. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Here we go. Nope, nothing. Okay, next one. Nope. That weapon is over here. Crap, again. So, thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to watch some more videos of cheap openings. Come to me. And some also deck priors and trades and stuff. Trades, yeah. I need some foreign bears. Peace.